accredited private importers traders.
No.
Yes, Mr. President.
We cannot accept that. We don't want
Alright.
NFA to buy from private importers. The purpose kung hindi mababa ang pagkabili, kaya nga government to government without tariff para bumaba ang price of the imports, kasi this is meant to solve the high prices of rice in the country.
I appreciate that, Mr. President. Naghahanap lang ako ng mechanism na kasabay ng negotiated na G2G importation, may kahit papaanong measure ng transparency and public information. Sabi nga ng good sponsor, ipapublish ito. Saan po at paano ito ipapublish? Para
Maybe
malaman
you
ng
can
publiko.
make an amendment that we should publish
Salamat.
the importation, emergency importation magkano, so that the people will know.
Salamat, Mr. President. Magka-craft po itong representasyon ng proposed amendment for the consideration of the good sponsor at the proper time. And in fact, for the record, Mr. President, if government importation is inevitable, I will propose safeguards that will make the process transparent and accountable, consistent with the revised Government Procurement Act. Kapapasa din natin, so pwedeng maging companion measure ito in these aspects. Bidding with an approved budget contract based on the average price per metric ton in the international
There
market.
is no bidding.
Yes, good sponsor.
It's government
Ayun na
to
nga po.
government negotiation, but we should publish the amount. So we will know, kasi there is an existing importation of rice by the private sector, and it should not be higher than that.
Yes. Sige
It
po.
should
So,
be always lower, kasi walang tariff to at government to government to.
So at least, Mr. President, may indication na ako sa good sponsor kung ano yung mga amendment na posibleng hindi nila tanggapin. Pero I will just make of record yung sanang ipopropose ko. And ngayon, with the advice of the good sponsor, kung paanong pwede kong i-adjust yung ipopropose kong amendments.
I-publish na lang para makita, transparent,
publish
and then we can compare it with the not above. We can indicate that it should never be above what is the existing price. It should always be lower than the existing price of rice, which is imported by the private sector with tariff.
Yes, Mr. President. I-make of record ko na lang sana yung tatlong ipopropose ko later on at the proper time, pero taking under advisement yung payo ng good sponsor on publishing, comparison of the prices, at yung principle na siyempre dapat laging mas mababa yung presyo. So just for the record, at this point in time, dahil nasa interpellation pa lang naman tayo, I was going to propose and will now study paano i-adjust itong proposed amendments given the advice of the sponsor. Una, bidding with an approved budget contract based on the average price per metric ton in the international market as published by 3 credible international rice or food monitoring agencies. Pangalawa, bidding with at least 3 rice exporting countries participating, or in this case, 3 governments. And last but not the least, same-day or real-time bidding with bid offers, rejection, request for second or third offer and approval done in the same day. So ito po yung tatlong original sanang ipopropose ko at the proper time, pero ititignan ko paano ma-adjust given yung advice
There will be no bidding,
but
but it should be lower than,
than
any transaction being done by the private sector with tariff.
Okay. Well taken, Mr. President.